Alright, what's up YouTube? So we're starting out the video. I just went to Lowe's, picked up a bunch of wood for the title and thumbnail of today's video for the ramp. That's set for that. Stopped by at Ryan's for the track. There's really no track, there's just like 2 jumps right now, but he pushed back the berm. That way you have a little bit more of a run up to hit that jump. We're gonna make that jump bigger, longer, the whole thing once we get more dirt. Hopefully on Friday, he made a couple calls and they're delivering dirt, hopefully for free on Friday, like I said, or Saturday, along with me possibly going to pick up some other dirt. Gotta take this and use the dump trailer and whatnot, but he made the berm a lot wider and like probably took him, what, 20 minutes you say? And yeah, other than that, there's really no other update for the track. Hopefully within 2 or 3 weeks possibly. Don't quote me on it, but if we get dirt within probably 2 or 3 days on a skid steer, and you could have the whole track pretty much done. So we were saying maybe 10 dump truck loads of dirt here on top of if he goes and picks up some other dirt. But the holdup is the dirt, not getting the equipment and whatnot. So it is what it is. All these jumps in the berm need a good soak with water. We haven't had rain in the past 2 or 3 weeks or longer. Everything's so dry. For any of this to really pack down and set in, really need to water it. But this jump, as you saw in the KX when I brought the 125 here, didn't even go around the berm. I went over the berm if you saw that video and then hit it. It's not a very big jump, so if we build this up a little bit, build the landing up, maybe slope it down more, push it back 5 or 10 feet, and then build those up. We gotta paint out where we want jumps and whatnot. It's so as we get there, as we go, we'll figure it out. Putting it away for the day. Okay, so it's the next day. I'm finally gonna put together this ramp. I pulled all the wood inside for, I think it's been in here like 2 days, but regardless, I'm gonna start building this thing. Probably gonna time lapse most of it, maybe come in, instruct. I don't really feel the need to tell you guys how to build a ramp, but the plan with the ramp is just to have it as sloped as possible. Maybe at the top have it rounded a little bit just in case you case it on the mountain bike, and then maybe the pit bike. I'm not sure about the big bikes, if it'll break the ramp. I don't want it to like snap when I land on it and like something happen. But if you guys want to see me jump the pit bike on it, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button. Comment down below if you want to see more with the mountain bike or more with the pit bike. Also, like I always say, if you guys are new and this is the first video you're watching, definitely go smash that subscribe button down below so you don't miss the future uploads on the mountain bikes, the pit bikes, the big bikes, whatever else I get myself into. And like I said, we will jump into finally assembling this thing and hopefully get it done within like an hour or so, but we'll see. Well, what I'm contemplating doing right now is to just make it a bank, which will just be cutting corner to corner, it being flat, or adding some tranny to it so it's kind of curved a little bit. It being a bank would probably be the easiest options. I already marked it out. I'm not sure if you can see the line there, but anyways, it'd just be easier corner to corner. So here's what I've come up with. So like I said, it was either the bank like that, either I made another line, which was right here, which was a little more angled, or I sized it up to the freestyle ramp and traced it, which is this line right there, which only goes to there, and then I rounded it off at the top a little bit. right, boom, I got it pretty much all ribbed up. I don't know why I put those two pieces in there, maybe for just a little extra support since that's like the middle part of the ramp. I don't know. But I really need one more 2x4 to go from here to here. Start laying the top plies. Don't bash me in the comments for my ramp making skills. There's a bunch of different ways to make ramps. This is just how I chose to do it. Alright, so I got the ramp all finished up, all the screws in, put another ply on the bottom to make it more smooth. I had to find another piece of wood for that. But regardless, set up the freestyle ramp. If you guys haven't seen the freestyle ramp where I jumped the 250 and the pit bike off of it, check those videos out. I'll leave them linked down below. But right now it's set up at about 10 feet, and I'll get Justin to get some clips. I'm going to try to move it back maybe 15, 20 feet, but we'll see. We'll see. Like I said, if you guys want to see me jump the pit bike off of it, give this video a thumbs up, and Justin, I guess, will get some clips. Woo. Wheelie practice. Shout out to Ryan for the broken fender. The zip tie's breaking off. Ryan, I know you're watching this video. Where's my back fender, dude?
Stress off me.
If you loop it, no big deal this time. Oh, there goes the fender. Did I not call that or what? Did I not call that? Throw a couple more zip ties in it. I got some in the garage. Whoa, that was perfect. All right, just cleaned up my mess and everything, swept everything, got to pick up the rest of that wood, but I'm super happy with how the ramp actually turned out so far. Super smooth. I'm glad I added the little like little round thing. That way if I do case it, if you see my couple of marks right here, came a little bit short, but for the most part so far at 10 feet, it's pretty fun. But I might push it back or like do it sideways on the lawn so I could have more of a run up. All right, so it's gotten super dark really quick. I gotta pull the ramps and everything, set it away. I know I didn't get a lot of clips on the bike, but hopefully maybe I'll get some more tomorrow. Maybe move it a little bit further back, set it up on the lawn to jump down. I don't know, I'll figure it out, but I know I'm gonna get a few questions regarding the bike. This is the Trek Fuel EX7, and yeah, that's it. But I'm super stoked on how it came out. I'm gonna wait for Phil to come over on his dirt jumper, like I said, to test it out with me. Maybe Mike will bring his bike over too, and then hopefully if you guys want me to, hit it on the pit bike, maybe the big bike too. I don't know, because I think this thing will be sturdy enough to jump the big bike on at least a couple tries, and maybe use it as like a jump since it's a little bit mellower than that jump. But I don't know, I'll figure it out. Maybe I'll try to jump back this way into the kicker or something, like jump it this way, then come back and jump it back. That'd be pretty cool. But super happy with it, super solid. Probably took me, I don't know, an hour and a half to build or so, 2 hours-ish. Give or take, me procrastinated too, going on my phone and whatnot, popping up, put another screw in there, but super solid. All right, so I would continue and keep jumping the ramps a little more in this video, but I'm gonna wait until I have like Phil or Mike or somebody else, Justin, over with the mountain bike, so I can have some help moving these things, because this thing especially is so heavy, a lot heavier than this, believe it or not. And I had to like put the penny boards on it and like wheel it and pull it back here. Along with this, I put the 2 skateboards underneath and wheeled it back and made it a little bit easier, but it's still a pain to do without having help and somebody on each side lifting it up to move it around. But regardless, probably in the next couple of videos you'll see more action on that. Than that, super fun building. I enjoy building things, doing stuff like that, and keeps me busy for a while, makes me think a little bit. And actually moved the pit bike out, the original, the OG pit bike, And I know I contemplated on taking all the decent parts off and selling it. As far as like the JTI, the foot peg mount, all these little, the bling stuff, the TV parts stuff. I'd probably just leave the Pitster Pro inverted forks on there. What else would I take off? The JTI brake. But then I'm thinking, like, once I do that and try to off this thing, what am I really gonna get for it? Maybe 700 bucks, 800 bucks. So my thinking is either in the next like month or so, or maybe come winter time, November-ish time, maybe do another 2.0 build on this thing. Like, go out. I found another decent swing arm, like a BBR replica on eBay. I think it's like 280 bucks that I can get. Tear them whole motor down, put the 4th gear drum in there like that one already has. Because the first, second, third, and fourth, it just makes it a lot smoother, where on this, once you shift into second, it kind of bogs and like lugs more. If you have like an 03 through 110s, then you know that it kind of lugs in the second and first. There's like an in-between, where if it had that 4th gear drum, it would be a lot better. So put the 4th gear drum in there, freshen the motor up like I said, do a couple of other little things, get the whole, the motor vapor honed, all taken apart like I did on the 125 build, shine everything up, powder coat everything, get some new wheels for it, all new bearing, a whole like entire rebuild. And I think that'd be kind of cool to change it up and do 2.0, maybe even put E-Start on this one. And yeah, that's my thinking on that, what I'm probably going to end up doing. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. As always, and I think I'm going to wrap this video up right now of jumping the mountain bike. If you guys enjoyed it, like I said, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you're new. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Tyler Monagan, along with checking out the new, not new shirts, the shirts I've had for a while. I'll leave the link down below in the description. If not, hopefully soon I'll be coming out with new shirts or a whole nother different brand thing that's in the works that I don't want to really talk about, but you guys will see soon. And off that, I will see you guys in the next video.